Hello students, so in this video we are going to learn about formation of differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constants. First we need to know what is a differential equation. For example, dy by dx plus y equal to k. Such kind of equation is called a differential equation in which there is a differential term and there is a variable. Such kind of term is called a differential equation. Okay, so if we want to form a differential equation, we need to eliminate the arbitrary constant basically. For example, if there is a differential equation y equal to a e raised to 2x plus b e raised to minus 2x. If such kind of equation is present, then we know that a and b are two arbitrary constants. So the rule states that we need to differentiate it by the number of times equal to the number of arbitrary constants. So in this equation there are two arbitrary constants, as you can see. So if there are two arbitrary constants, we need to differentiate it twice. So we differentiate it first, differentiate with respect to x to get what we will get. Dy by dx equal to a multiplied by the derivative of e raised to 2x will be 2 e raised to 2x plus b multiplied by this derivative of e raised to minus 2x will be minus 2 e raised to minus 2x. So it will be 2 times a e raised to 2x minus b e raised to minus 2x. Now again we need to differentiate it because we need to differentiate it twice since there are two arbitrary constants. So we will differentiate it again, differentiate with respect to x. We get d2y by dx square equals to 2 into 2a e raised to 2x minus 2b plus 2b e raised to 2x. So it will be 4 times a e raised to 2x plus b e raised to minus 2x. This is the minus. So if we have this as equation 1 and this is d2y by dx square, we can clearly see that this term is nothing but y. So it will be d2y by dx square equal to 4y. As we can see that the arbitrary constants are eliminated from the equation, and therefore this is the differential equation which is required. If we want to solve an equation in which there is only one arbitrary constant, then we need to differentiate it once. If there is an equation that we need to solve and there are two arbitrary constants, then we need to differentiate it twice. If there are three arbitrary constants, we will differentiate it thrice. In this way this concept works basically. Formation of differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constants. Hope you get it.